Mediation is a conversation to get separating couples to a point where they agree the issues arising from their separation. Those issues can be anything. It can very commonly be about arrangements for children. It can be about specific issues about children. It can be about one parent relocating. It can be anything that they need it to be. It can also be financial. Very commonly is financial. So what are the financial consequences of the separation? What happens to the house? What happens to the pension, etc.? So all of those things can be covered in mediation. So the way that it works, it's one of many dispute resolution processes, but the way that mediation works is that it is managed by an impartial professional, the mediator. And the mediator remains impartial throughout, so can't give the couple legal advice. So the recommendation is that they have lawyers in the background who can support them at different stages of the process. The lawyers can be there if needs be. Mediation's evolving into something which is really just about finding a way forward so that a couple can keep control of their own decision making without having to hand it over to a court or to an arbitrator. So mediation can involve, in its purest form, the couple and a mediator sitting around a table, just having that conversation over a number of sessions. You can bring lawyers in, you can bring, as I often do, impartial financial professionals in, so financial advisors, people who can advise on pensions, whoever you need to be there can be there. That process needs to be bespoke so that that couple can keep control of the decisions that affect them and their family. The process is what you would call without prejudice or privileged, as any negotiation process is. But at the end of it, it's all written up, so the financial information is produced, a summary of their agreed proposals is produced, and then the lawyers can make that final and binding. In some circumstances, the mediator can do that as well, but it depends entirely on the facts.